Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about the top 5 plant-based foods for high protein. If you're a vegan or vegetarian, getting enough protein in your diet can sometimes be a challenge. But don't worry, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options out there. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the top 5 plant-based foods that are packed with protein, so you can make sure you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. But first, a quick vegan joke for you. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing.
Got him! Got him!
Number 1. Lentils. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, with 18 grams of protein per cup. They are also high in fiber, iron, and potassium. Lentils are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes such as soups, salads, and stews. Number 2. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are another great source of plant-based protein, with 15 grams of protein per cup. They are also high in fiber and other nutrients. Chickpeas can be used in a variety of dishes such as hummus, falafel, and curries. Number 3. Tofu. Tofu is made from soybeans and is a good source of plant-based protein, with 10 grams of protein per half cup. It is also low in calories and fat. Tofu can be used in a variety of dishes such as stir-fries, soups, and salads. Number 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a grain that is high in protein, with 8 grams of protein per cup. It also contains all of the essential amino acids. Quinoa is also a good source of fiber and other nutrients. It can be used in a variety of dishes such as salads, bowls, and as a side dish. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are great sources of protein for vegetarians and vegans. They are also high in healthy fats, fiber, and other nutrients. You can add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or just eat them as a snack. So there you have it, the top 5 plant-based foods for high protein. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure that you're getting enough of this essential nutrient. Remember to be mindful of your portion sizes, as nuts and seeds are calorie-dense. And don't forget to try new recipes and experiment with different ways of incorporating these foods into your meals. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.